Are you looking for the best air hammer in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best air hammer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Sunex SX243 HD 250mm long barrel air hammer. The Sunex SX243 HD 250mm long barrel air hammer should be your next choice if the Ingersoll brand is unavailable. You can punch, chip, or cut into stone and metals with the SX243 that delivers up to 200 blows per minute BPM, which is a little less than our top choice, but still gets the job done. Large projects get done in record time without any of the usual hassles that are familiar with traditional hammers. High efficiency and durability are injected into the design of the SX243, with a 0.75-inch bore diameter and a 3/25-inch piston stroke length. With a stroke length that high, you can expect higher velocity from the piston and more power delivered to the chisel. Much like the Ingersoll brand, it produces a low impact of 4 CPM, which is only ideal for average jobs that do not require much drilling and carving. Up next in the 4th place is the DEWALT DWMT 70785 Air Chisel Hammer. The DEWALT DWMT 70785 Air Chisel Hammer will get all your large projects done in the least amount of time. Manufactured by the well-known DEWALT company, this air hammer is the perfect addition to your tool set. It features a lightweight aluminum body with a medium barrel design and a shock-absorbing handle for 100% comfort and zero fatigue in your hands and arms. This could be a game-changer when you have to cut large pieces of metal or wood for long periods. You won't want a situation where you end up at the hospital after a night out at the woodshed. The DWMT 70785 operates at a speed of up to 2600 BPM with a Z25 air inlet and accepts a standard 401 chisel shanks. At first glance, this might seem incredibly fast, but compared to our top choice, it's an average option. The DWMT 70785 has a 4.5 CFM average air consumption and a 90 psi max air pressure. The CFM of the DEWALT is much higher than its other competitors. The 3rd product on our list is the Chicago Pneumatic CP 714 Heavy-Duty Air Hammer. This air hammer is one of the priciest on this list, but for a good reason. Not only is it manufactured by the highly trusted Chicago Pneumatic Manufacturing Company that produces power tools and pneumatic tools, but it also packs a ton of features that professionals consider a must-have. The CP 714 air hammer is one of the most controllable CP air hammers available. It is lightweight and matches up to any heavy-duty jobs you throw at it. The CP 714 works with aluminum and iron rivets of up to 38 inches and bolt of up to 25 inches. It features an extra sensitive throttle, 2 CFM air inlet, superior control over the speed range, and uses the standard 401 shanks. The CFM this unit produces is lower than any of the other air hammers in this review. Hence, if you'll be working on jobs that need high power, you can jump this hammer. Second on our list is the Chicago Pneumatic CP 7150 Air Hammer. The Chicago Pneumatic CP 7150 Air Hammer is much heavier than the CP 714, weighing 52 pounds. However, this model has an integral muffler that helps in minimizing the exhaust sound. However, like most powerful air hammers, it is quite loud, but not as loud as others with a 109 dBA sound. The 3.5-inch piston delivers enough power per blow. That means you get a powerful tool for all your hard projects and demo work, like the DEWALT. This air hammer also produces a 4.5 CFM, which is great for most jobs that require that amount of power. All the parts of the CP 7150 are heat treated, which also adds to its durability. You can switch, add an accessory, or change the bit in seconds thanks to the tool's change retainer. The retainer is spring-loaded, which allows you to get an attachment or accessory off or on faster. The DEWALT 401 round shank delivers 2000 BPM, delivering enough power for any task at hand. The design of the air hammer is nothing fancy. It has a rugged design and an ergonomic handle for your comfort. Finally, the top product on our list is the Ingersoll Rand Air Hammer 114 GQC. Swing less and get more work done with the Ingersoll Rand Air Hammer 114 GQC. This air hammer is from the prestigious industrial manufacturer Ingersoll Rand. This lightweight air hammer is designed with professionals in mind. It delivers a 258-inch stroke and 500 BPM. The BPM is one of the fastest in this review. While most air hammers have an average of 2000, a unit that surpasses 3000 BPM is usually more powerful and expensive. You get maximum power for cutting metals, chipping and scraping surfaces, and working on exhaust systems. You can change the chisels in less than 30 seconds with a quick disconnect retainer. The CFM cubic feet per meter of the Ingersoll Rand is an average 4 CFM, which should be good enough for most low-impact jobs. In comparison, high-impact jobs that require heavy drilling of metal or wood usually have as high as 13 CFM. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.